In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use a template in Figma, perfect for beginners just starting out with this versatile design tool. We'll guide you through the process step by step so you can confidently apply a template to your own projects and start collaborating with your team. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Figma account. Simply head over to figma.com/login. If you already have an account, this step should be fairly straightforward. For those of you who might not have signed into Figma recently, you'll need to use either your Gmail account or any other email address and password that you've registered with. This ensures you'll have access to all of your design files and resources right away. Once you're logged in, take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. You'll find it to be a hub of creativity and inspiration. One great feature in Figma is the ability to browse templates created by the vibrant Figma community. These ready-made templates can provide a fantastic starting point for your projects, particularly if you're working with a team or on a tight deadline. To access these templates, look toward the lower left corner of your screen. Here you'll see an option labeled Explore Community. Clicking on this will transport you to a world of design possibilities, all created and shared by Figma users like yourself. As you explore the options, remember to consider what best suits your current project's needs. Once you've identified a template that resonates with you, go ahead and click on it. Don't worry if you feel uncertain about which to choose. You can explore multiple templates before making a decision. After selecting your template, the next step is straightforward. You'll find an option that says Use Template. By clicking on this, the template is immediately added to your workspace, allowing you to make any edits you'd like. Now comes the creative part, editing the template to meet your specific needs. This is where you can really make the design your own. Whether it's adjusting the layout, colors, or images, feel free to experiment and tweak the template until it aligns perfectly with your vision. This process is both fun and crucial, ensuring that the final design is unique to your project. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on using a Figma template for beginners. With these steps in your toolkit, you've unlocked a whole new level of design efficiency and collaboration potential. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy designing.